Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. We are on day 2 for sneak peeks. I'm so excited to share the full March box with you. Yesterday I shared the junior box, and everything that comes in the junior box will be in your box of the month, except for the full pack of Joyous Easter card fronts. You will get a sampling of this in your box of the month. So you'll get 6 individual beautiful prints, 6 different ones in your box. Don't forget you could pick up the full pack on the website starting on the 1st if you wish to have these beautiful card fronts. They do come with the sentiments on the back that you can use Teresa's one and done sentiment die to cut them out. Okay, so you'll get your sampling. You'll get this large 6x8 stamp set, which is called Bloom Where You're Planted. It is just so cute. We're going to create some cards with this today. I love this image here of the girl and the bunny looking off into the distance. There's a little butterfly with a trail that's separate. We have a girl holding a bouquet of tulips. There's a little patch of 3 eggs. We have a nice fence here with some tulips and some grass and a little gravel path. We have another single butterfly, a cute little chick, a single tulip. We have this cute little tulip stand with a bunny and some eggs. We have another little trail with the butterfly. We have this adorable teacup with a tulip print on the front, 2 little chicks popping out. And the sentiments here with you. Happy Easter, 2 of a kind. So happy for you, made with love. Sweet spring wishes, bloom where you're planted. Thank you, picked just for you. Happiness is better shared. Fresh flowers daily. A little hello. So really, really nice. Great for some spring cards, great to cheer someone up, great for just a little hello, a thank you, so really perfect. And then yesterday I shared the 6x6 stamp set, which is the Sweet Spring Friends stamp set. So adorable with these cute little animals. Let me share really quick the card I did with that yesterday. So I chose to play with the little owl and paired it up with the Who's Thinking of You sentiment. I colored the little owl pink to match the papers, and I think it turned out super pretty. The papers I used was the Spring and Bloom. I shared this yesterday. Beautiful spring colors with beautiful little tulips in there and hearts. Very, very cute. I also shared the Little Spring Friends ephemera pack yesterday. Super cute little images, a lot of them holding tulips. Here is the card I did with that one. I used a little puppy dog and then the sentiment just checking in, and then the beautiful papers. Isn't that cute? And today I'll be showing the Hoppy Little Moments collection. And here is the card I did using the card fronts. This is the Joyous Easter card fronts. And the sentiment, Somebody Loves You, is on the back of your package. And I just trimmed that out with Teresa's one and done sentiment die. I added a little bit of stickles for some glitter on the card. So now today I'm going to share the Hoppy Little Moments collection with you. Super, super cute, guys. Perfect for some spring cards. We've got really cute Easter eggs on a pink background. There's 4 of each design. They're double-sided. On the back you get this fun stripe. Isn't that fun? That would even make a great birthday card. Some dainty little tulips. This is really cute. And then this is pretty with the Easter eggs and then the greenery. Adorable bunnies in a meadow. And then on the back you got a green with white polka dots. We've got a pink with white polka dots. and then some eggs on a white background. We've got a basket full of eggs. And then some cute bunnies with the little meadow scene. We've got some daffodils on a green, like watercolor looking background, and then this is really pretty. It's like a little painted stripe with some flowers. That is the Hoppy Little Moments paper pad. And let's check out the coordinating ephemera. So all of our paper and all of our ephemera from the boxes will be available for individual purchase. So if you like to purchase extra, those will be up on the site on the 1st. The stamp sets are exclusive to the boxes. So I'm going to lay these all out for you. Let me play a little bit of music. We've got some girls in here. We've got eggs, some bunnies, some tulips. So lots of beautiful stuff. Okay, there's all the really super pretty ephemera. If you're interested in any of our boxes, I have a wait list in the description box for you. If you get on the wait list, you'll be the first to be notified once this release goes live. These boxes are available as a one-time purchase, or you can subscribe monthly. When you subscribe, you save an 18% discount, and you'll get your box delivered to you every 30 days from the date you purchased. If you love a little happy mail, this subscription is for you. We'll be working with the 6x8 stamp set today, our ephemera, and our 6x6 Hoppy Little Moments paper pad. I'm going to draw the colors and inspiration from the Hoppy Little Moments collection to color in our images. So I really love this image. I'm going to use this image today. So I'm going to pick out a few sheets that I would like to use. Let's pick out a sentiment. I think I'm going to use happiness is better shared. And I'll stamp out the sentiment happiness is better shared right under our image. I think that will look really pretty. I'm going to grab a pink polka dot. We can use some of these eggs on the back. And let's get some little flowers. Oh, that would be pretty. Let's do that. Let's grab these. I think I might use the green polka dot. The green polka dot, maybe some eggs, and this sheet here. I'll draw my colors from these 3 sheets. I'm going to stamp my sentiment right under my image. We're going to cut this out with a square. Okay, so I have my image all ready to go. Okay, so I'm gonna do a 5x5 card. I have my focal image. I also cut this down like 1/8 smaller. It's the same size as this sheet here, but what I'm gonna do is just like rip a little corner because I just want a little bit of those eggs in there. But I don't want to cover too much of the bunnies up. So I'm going to put that like that. Then we're going to have our beautiful image front and center. So I think I'm going to rough up these edges just a little bit. And let's go ahead and put a little bit of ink on those edges. Then we'll really see the line. So I'm going to go ahead and just lightly put some ink around. I'm basically using the ink that was left over on my sponge. So it's the tea dye. Add this with this tiny border. And then we'll go ahead and add our corner piece. And then our beautiful image front and center. Okay, just eyeballed that. That looks pretty good. And now we could add some sparkling enamel dots in the Bunny Blush collection. I've got some green ones. Okay, so that completes the card with the stamp set. Turned out lovely. So pretty. So let's go ahead and make a card with the ephemera set. For this layout, I took the back side of the other piece that I tore. So I'm going to use the pink side. This was a scrap, so I'm going to use that for the top. And we have a neat little layout here. Okay, so let's pick out some ephemera pieces. You could always use a butterfly. Let's see, I think I want to use one of the circular sentiments to add right here. And then we could put an ephemera piece down here. So either sweet spring wishes or bloom where you're planted. And that's kind of lovely because it's got the yellow. It brings in the yellow. Let's see what else we have here. And then maybe a butterfly. I'm kind of liking that. And then we are going to do the sentiment right there. So let's go ahead and stamp out bloom where you're planted. Okay, so I think that's really cute. I'm just going to add a little color to the tulip. I'm going to pop that up. I think that's going to look really pretty popped up. I think this would look really pretty with some lace right here. Let me grab some lace. I'm going to add a little double-sided tape right here. And then I'm going to just add a little bit of lace trim. If you had ribbon in your stash, that would work as well. And then for our little sentiment, I'm not going to press it down just yet because I want to make sure I'm adding my clusters where I want them. That way I can move things around. We can pop that up in this little butterfly. And then for my sentiment, let's find a good spot. I think that looks good. And then we can get our enamel dots out. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue here. And then I think I want to do the green to bring this green down into my little scene. And we can add a little bit of glitter to the little bunny's tail and the butterfly. Just going to add a little bit of glitter. And that will complete our second card. So I hope you guys enjoyed the 2 cards today. Here's the other one. And I hope you guys have so much fun creating with this brand new kit. I'll have the wait list in the description box for you if you want to snag one of these boxes on release date, which is March 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.